Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. It's Tracy here and this is another yarn of the week, and this one is fast selling out. Some colours I have much more stock of than others, but some are very, very low. Now it will be a little while later, it'll be a yarn of the week giveaway. Now the stock that I've taken out already for that giveaway, so what you find in the shop now is what's in the shop, so the stock counts are all correct. This is beautiful yarn. Now when I first got it, I got it as a bit of an experiment, and I got the colours that I wanted for a project that I had in mind, and it was, I thought if I buy extra then I'll put that in the shop and it'll be a bit of an experiment. I never got round to making that, and I sold all the yarn, more or less, anyway. But I may restock this because it is so nice. But I might try another brand's merino. I'm not sure yet. I know this is absolutely lovely stuff and really good quality. Now in my shop, as I said, I have this, and I do have patterns for it as well, which are beautiful. But I'll just get on and show you. Now there's a theme with the colours, because as I said, I bought it specifically with something in mind that I wanted to make. But it is Jenny Watson Pure Merino, and it is absolutely beautiful yarn. I'm just going to poke that little end in because it's just, all it is the end of the yarn. Doesn't really want to be poked into the donut. But anyway, here it is. This is the Jenny Watson Pure Merino. And let me put my light on. Okay, try to not make it fall off. This one is WM15. That's the name. They don't come up with lovely names. Oh, yes. You know what I'm going to say? Yarn boobies. Well, yarn donut boobies, to be honest with you. I'm going to keep that one at the side, show you something in a moment. But yeah, this is the Jenny Watson Pure Merino double knitting. And for double knit, for a 50 gram DK, I don't think the yardage is too sad. It's 100% pure merino wool. It's 125 meters, 135 yards, which isn't too bad at all. It's so soft, as you expect from merino. It really is lovely stuff, really beautiful. So I will probably restock it. It's just that I don't buy from that supplier that often to put in an order. And there's also this color, which is beautiful, really one of my favorites. And if I pop that one in there for now, what color are we? Upside down, of course. WM12. WM just reminds me of weapons of mass. I don't know, it just pops into my head. I'm sorry. And I have this absolutely gorgeous black, and it is very black. I know that sounds silly, I'm aware of that, but you know, sometimes when you pick up a black, it's really lacking. But this one is just really black. Okay, a very black. WM5. Really lovely though, absolutely beautifully black. You can see there's a little bit of speck there. What was that? A bit of fluff. Can't find it now. No, it must have just been a bit of fluff. But yeah, it is just gorgeous. When I look at the camera, it looks like there's fluff, and then when I get up close, there's nothing. It just must be the way the light picks it up. You put that one over there. And then there is this one, which is a beautiful like lilac colour. Really pretty. I'm going to put that one over there. And what is the colour of this one? WM8. And then lastly, I know I don't have much of this one, sadly. It is gorgeous. Really beautiful. Look at that colour. That is so soft. Really is. Anyway, WM3. Now, the reason I wanted to show you all these is because this is what I was going to do. I was going to make something with all of these colours. You see, they go so well together. and that's what I was going to do. And then if you take any of them like individually and put them with that black, it just pops. It really pops. This one's such a tight wind and this one's really floppy. It looks so much bigger, but it isn't. It's just loose and tight. Yeah, so any of them with the black just look gorgeous, don't they? That's why I got the black, because I wanted to do something with all of these in black, but they are stunning. So I can't say for sure that I won't buy any more of this or stock it, because it is just so pretty. But it is getting low. Some of them are very low on stock. Some of them are not so bad. But yeah, I intend to do this. I'm not sure if I've said this already, because I recorded this video once and didn't like it and deleted it. So therefore, in my brain, I'm not sure if I said something or if I haven't said something. So I might repeat myself, and if I do, I apologise. But I'm going to do this as a yarn of the week. Did I tell you this already? But the stock's been taken out. I probably have told you this already. But yeah, I'm not sure what I told you. But never mind. It will come up as a yarn of the week giveaway. But don't worry, that doesn't mean there's less stock in the shop. I've recently sold quite a few balls of that, and it is getting quite low. I'm trying to do lots of special offers at the moment in the shop, because I want to make some space and put in some orders for some different yarn that I've not stocked before. And so I need to make a fair bit of space. So all of the previous special offers, the t-shirt yarn is still $4.99. Somebody asked me what the yardage was on that. I really, was it the yardage or the weight they asked me? It's between 650 and 750 grams. They give you a vague kind of a minimum of 650, but when I've weighed them in the past, they've never been 650. They've always been more. But they kind of give you a tolerance of it. I'm sure I wrote all the rest in the description box. If not, I will update that. So thank you to whoever that was who asked me about that. So that's still $4.99. The Yarn Art Nordic is still $2.99. I'm now sold out of a couple of them. I know that the mauve and green one is definitely all sold out now. Some of them are much lower stock, but that's going to remain $2.99 until it's gone. But there are lots and lots of other. Whenever I do a yarn of the week and I do my special offer, I never really return it to its normal price again. And I know for a fact that I think it was Victoria was looking into Flutterby, and I was at least 30p cheaper on every ball than a lot of other places. So if you want Flutterby, that's really good value as well. So but this one is my yarn of the week. It's absolutely gorgeous. If I don't replace it, I will stock another merino, but the chances are I will get it again because it is just so nice. And I just love the way the colours are so vibrant. The patterns are really lovely as well. Check those out. I've sold quite a few of those, and I've got others in stock. But bear with me a sec. Sorry, I heard a noise. It was Fluffy. She'd got her foot stuck. I shouldn't laugh. It's not funny, but it did look funny. Well, it looked comical. It wasn't. I know, poor little Fluffy. Anyway, she's free now. Thank you for watching. And watch out for that on the Yarn of the Week giveaway, which will be coming up sometime soon. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, everyone. And I'll see you soon. Bye for now.